In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Word from capitalizing the first letter of sentences. Have you ever been typing away in Microsoft Word only to have it automatically capitalize the first letter of every sentence? Even when it's not what you intended, you're not alone. This automatic capitalization feature can be a nuisance for many, especially if you're working on something that requires a different formatting style. But don't worry, because today I'm going to walk you through the entire process of turning off this feature in just a few simple steps. First, we'll start by opening Microsoft Word. You can do this by finding the Word icon on your desktop or searching for it in your computer's Start menu. Once Word is open, you should have either a blank document or an existing document in front of you. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. It's essentially the gateway to various settings and options that let you control how Word behaves. Once you're in the File tab, you'll notice a menu that appears on the left side of your screen. From this menu, go ahead and select Options. This action will open a new window, which is essentially the control center for Word settings. Within the Options window, you'll see several different bars on the left. For this task, we'll focus on the Proofing section, so click on that. Now that we're in the Proofing options, look for the button that says Autocorrect Options. Click on it, as this will lead us to where we can modify some of the automatic text features that Word applies. Now, with the Autocorrect Options window before you, you'll see a variety of checkboxes related to text automation. The one pertinent to our task is labeled Capitalize First Letter of Sentences. You should see a checkbox next to it. If that box is checked, then that's what prompts Word to capitalize the first letter of every sentence. To stop this from happening, go ahead and uncheck the box. Once you've unchecked Capitalize First Letter of Sentences, the final step is to save your new settings. To do this, simply click OK at the bottom of the Autocorrect window, and then again in the Options window. This will ensure that your changes are implemented. So there you have it. With just a few quick adjustments, you've managed to turn off the automatic capitalization of sentences in Word. This little tweak can save you time and frustration, giving you control over your document formatting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video.